How to download free ebook from Google Books legally. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. For this, launch a browser that you prefer in your device. So you need to go ahead and search for Google Books first and foremost. From here, you can select on Google Books, or for more advanced search, select on Advanced Book Search Google Books. You will see an interface like this. This is our advanced book search or filter for you. From here, you can select on language, title, author, publisher, and even genre as well. This will help you to find the book that you are looking for adequately and appropriately. Once done, just tap on Google search at the top. It will enlist all of the book that is similar to yours or the exact same that you were referring to. Just select on the suggestion that is most suitable for you. You can read out through here as well by scrolling down and enjoying your book. If not, and if you want it as a download form, you can easily download by the download option given to you. If not, you can even select on Get the Book and find various other platforms to download it as well. If you do not have a download option, just tap on Add to my library. Without download, you can enjoy your ebook freely when you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection. For some of the books, you will get the option of download. It depends upon the author and publisher of the book. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.